Good morning. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. My name is Miss Pam. I'm from Imagine Children's Museum, and today we are going to be exploring magnets with Little Science Lab. So today in your activity kit, you are going to need your 9-inch plate, your stack of 6-inch plates. You have 2 ring magnets that you'll want, and you will need your bar magnet. You have some paper clips in your bag, and you'll need 10 or 12 of those for our experiments. You'll also need your paint. What colors have we got today? You're right, we've got red and yellow. So you'll need your paints, and then from home you're going to need a spoon so that you can dip some of that paint out. And you're going to need a little piece of tape and some scissors, or just tear off your tape. So with that said, I think we're ready to begin. So first of all, what we're going to do is we are going to take one of our magnets and we're going to tape it to the bottom of one of our plates. These round magnets are called ring magnets. And before we get started on our experiment, if you take one of your ring magnets and you set it close to the other, you will find that it snaps together because they are attracted to each other. And if you take one of them and turn it over, it's pushing, it won't let you stick it together. It won't stick together because they are repelling. And that's because magnets have 2 sides. One is a north pole and one is a south pole. So this one has a north pole and a south pole. This one has a north pole and a south pole. And your bar magnet has a north pole and a south pole. If you put your north pole to a south pole, they will be attracted. Can you do that with your magnets? See if you can get them to stick together, to be attracted. Oh, did you do that? Yeah. Turn one of them over, not 2, just one. Turn it over and you are going to see, oh, what is it doing? You're right, it's repelling. Repelling. That's because you've got a north pole and a north pole that are trying to stick together, but they won't. You have to have a north pole and a south pole for them to be attracted. Are you ready to do some experimenting with me? All right, we're going to take one of our ring magnets and we're going to take a little piece of tape, and we are going to attach your magnet to the bottom of one of your small plates. Just one plate, just one magnet with one piece of tape. So it's going to look kind of like that. And then what you get to do is you get to put your paper clips on top of your plate. What do you think is going to happen to the paper clips when you put them on the plate? You think anything will happen? Well, let's stick them on there and see. Oh, yeah, they are definitely sticking on there. What's going to happen when you turn the plate over? Let's do it together. Oh, look it. I've got some that are sticking to my magnet. So they are attracted through the plate to the magnet on the bottom. That's because there's magnetic force. Can you say it? Magnetic force, exactly. So that's a pretty strong magnet. Do you think all magnets are the same? You're right, they're not. They're all different. So let's see how strong our magnet can be. Let's take our paper clips off and let's put another plate on top and see if those paper clips are going to stick. Do you think they will? Let's find out. Oh, pretty much they are still sticking. Let's add 2 more plates. Let's add 2 more plates. All right. When we put our paper clips on top of our plate and turn it over, do you think the magnet is strong enough to go through 4 plates? find out. Let's find out. All right. Here we go. Oh! Oh, how come more of them are hanging down? Do you think that the strength is getting too weak? Let's add 2 more plates. Let's give it a try. 2 more plates. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plates. Are you ready? What do you think is going to happen to our paper clips when we turn the plate over this time? Let's find out. Oh, oh, I got 1 left. I got 1 left. Should we add 1 more plate? All right. How many plates have you got? And that's keeping your paper clips stuck to your magnet. Let's see if Miss Pam's is going to work this time. Oh! All those plates. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plates. 9 plates thick before our magnet lost its strength. Wasn't that fun? Very fun. How about if we try another experiment? This time we're going to try it with our big 9-inch plate. Let's put 2 paper clips in the middle of our plate. And what was the name of this magnet again? You're right, the bar magnet. If we take the bar magnet underneath our plate and try, oh, look at Miss Pam's moving her paper clips around and around. How cool is that? So the magnetic force is going through the big paper plate, just like it did the little ones. And we can make our paper clips go around. Do you want to try something even more fun? Let's try opening up our paints. And we're going to put a couple of drops of paint towards the center of the plate. We're going to drop, drop, drop. Oh, there we go. And let's try some. What was this color? Red. You're right. Ooh, this is going to be so fun. Let's put just a couple drops. There we go. Take your bar magnet and grab underneath, grab your paper clips, and let's see if we can move that paint around with our bar magnet going through. Oh, like that. Yeah. What do you notice about your paint? Is it changing? Mine is changing, yeah. Red and yellow mixed together. What do you think that makes? You're right. That makes orange. You can play with this and get your whole entire plate covered and get the paint designs from your paper clips on there. And you can finish this at home. Thank you so much for joining me today. We've had so much fun. I'll look forward to seeing you next time.